I'm way too excited to even start off with a proper introduction, so we're just gonna jump straight into this video. Martin is setting up the jacks for the G35 because we have 3 packages right here that we're going to be tearing up and looking at what's inside. It's gonna be super special and we've been waiting for this day. One question that always arises with every single car that someone owns is, what's the best sounding exhaust for your car? So today we're going to be answering that, and we're going to be putting on pretty much the best exhaust you could put on to your G35 350Z, or should I say VQ in general, if you can get it to fit on an Altima.
It might.
I guess we could start off with one of the small ones. What's up, Marian, bro? What's up?
What's cracking?
What's up, dude?
So nothing special, you know. It's just some Motordyne Art Pipes.
They're pretty much the best test pipes you can get that quiets down that raspiness of a VQ. And then these are for the O2 sensors, which already have a bung, then extension.
So pretty much you could pass
smog, possibly.
Oh, the check engine I shouldn't pop up.
Yeah. Tomei.
What?
Woo!
Is this a Tomei white pipe? As you can tell, we haven't opened it. I just opened it just to look at it.
You got too excited, didn't you?
A little bit.
Dude, this thing. This is so light.
Oh my god. Can't open it fast enough.
I want to see your reaction.
Hold on. Oh my goodness. So nice.
I love how titanium has this like flat color. And one thing I also like about Tomei's setup is that they don't leave a lot of the stuff burnt. Like, I don't like when everything of the piping is burnt, because titanium burns like that. I'm sure this is gonna be burnt though.
So light. So
you're already figuring we have the art pipes, we have the white pipe, we're working our way back. What's next? Some more Tomei goodies.
So this is the actual Tomei muffler.
I don't think anyone wants to see the resonator, even though it is pretty big. Oh, there it is. That thing's huge, dude. Oh my god. Watch it.
No.
Woo-hoo. Damn, I've never seen like a brand new Tomei.
Goodness. Dude, this thing is so huge.
This thing's huge, dude. It's as big as your head.
Damn. Look at Look how big this damn thing is, dude.
Put it on next to my car. I want to see it next to my car.
Alright, let's see.
I was contemplating buying a Tomei just to have it custom fit my car. That would be way too big.
Damn.
So this is a 4-inch. That looks like a 5-inch because it can easily go over it. Easily. Jesus Christ. This pipe is already pretty big. The exhaust that Martin currently has on his car is an eBay, I believe it's an eBay HKS replica. It does sound okay, but it does rattle a lot, and he's had to mess with this so much because fitment wasn't right. So Martin hit me up and said, hey, you know a little bit about VQs. What's the best exhaust setup for my car? And I was like, well, it's gonna be expensive. I told him, you're better off just going full send on some art pipes. If you do a Tomei and just have straight test pipes, it's gonna be way too loud. Anyone that has Motordyne art pipes know that this is pretty much the best setup. And we also needed to get
a 12-inch extension, also custom from Z1. You do have to measure them to get it custom. This was a 138.
One thing I forgot to show you guys for the IS that I recently got is a new steering wheel setup. I still have the Vertex, but that Vertex is going on the E30, and I ended up getting this Nardi, and I did get a really special quick release. The quality of this leather is insane. I haven't seen a steering wheel yet that has this type of quality. The Vertex is really close, especially with that stitching that it has. I really like this horn ring that comes with it. A lot of people take them off and just put the standard Allens, but I really like it. And one thing that I also did get from a buddy of mine is this Never Content quick release, which is 1 of 50 for this design. It's a Works bell. I'm telling you guys, this is the OG quick release. This is the one that all of the other quick releases look up to and try to replicate. This thing is insane. And Never Content is a company that I've always supported, and I've also supported Night Runner, and I believe they're close buddies, and it's pretty cool to have this product. And it was selling for a regular Works bell quick release price at $360, and they sold out really quick, I say about a year ago. And they had a pop-up shop here in, I believe, LA. My buddy went over there and picked one up for himself, and they only had 5 there at the time of this design. He ended up selling it to me for pretty much the same price, which is so dope. But let's get back to the video.
Okay, here we go. Look at that. That thing's heavy, dude.
Oh shit.
Compared to the Tomei.
This piece of the exhaust probably weighs as much as the whole Tomei setup. I don't think this is supposed to be here.
What?
Got my stomach. This is a full complete exhaust from the headers back. That's crazy. That's definitely a difference, a huge difference in quality. Dude, look at that big old pipe, dude. That's insane. Okay, so this is old one, cheap stainless steel and just a bunch of raw steel, and then this one is titanium
minus
and then
the extension.
Yeah, minus
stainless.
that extension, which is stainless, and then it goes up to these polished stainless Motordyne pipes. So this exhaust setup is gonna be so wild. It looks like it is touching with everything tie-in. So with this piece, you can split it. You can get the first one on first, and then push the other one into place. We extended it as far back as we can without making a leak. So hopefully it fits perfect.
So there are these springs that go onto the muffler part and I think mid pipe.
Oh, that's where these little things hang right there.
So it holds it. That way you're
just in case it
don't
falls
want to
apart.
fall off. So this helps keep it connected together.
That's pretty cool.
It's like Tomei's top of the line.
Oh, it's like Plan B. Moment of truth, dude. Not loud. The startup actually doesn't sound like a Tomei. Like, it doesn't have that. Fuck! You're wild, bro. Ah, damn. Dude, that thing's on the ground, bro. We have to be able to adjust it a different way. We figured going with this exhaust, it was gonna be on the ground. I guess Martin's gonna be able to fit a Meteor tire on the rear because with the power we're gonna be pushing on this thing, you're gonna need it. We need to raise it all around. I say we'll raise it about an inch, and that'll give them an inch more to clear it. I still think it's going to be scraping regardless, but the least amount of scrape possible is what we want. We didn't really give you guys any exhaust clips, but we are gonna be doing some. We just wanted to take pictures before it got dark because Tyler's gonna take some dope thumbnail pictures for this car. This thing looks so good. Hey, it's because it's back, that's why. Bro, I'm pretty sure we didn't install this right. It's hanging too low. Is that how Freddy's was?
No, dude. I mean, Freddy's was low, but I mean, do you air out? Do you air up when you drive or what?
Yeah. Tell him something, bro. Damn, this guy's fender to lip? Nah, you're tucking, bro.
No, don't even start.
Can I do it?
You gonna put on the flame map?
Dude, that tickles my ear.
Make sure I'm in the right one because I can't see the brake.
Oh, that looks so good. Oh, fuck! Exhaust is gone!
Exhaust said, bro, that's a Tomei right there. It sounds straight like.
Idle is quieter, it's weird.
It sounds way better. Idle's quieter, but it's louder when you want to gun it. So I would say, like, I don't know, I think it's like a win-win because
it is a little raspy.
It's probably the R pipes.
At least that it doesn't sound like metal clanking like it did before.
Yeah, and I think the R pipes made a big difference because if you go non-resonated, it does sound really good, but it's really fucking drony. The Tomei was pretty much a success, I would say. There's still a few adjustments, but we're gonna get it dialed in. It's really dope that we finally have a complete exhaust on Martin's G, and a really nice one. Motordyne is one of the best exhaust companies for G35s and 350Zs. Tomei makes one of the best, and I know they came out with the Tomei Dual. I haven't heard that one yet, but I heard it's louder, which obviously we don't want. But when we're talking about overall quality, cost, and just the way it sounds, I would say this would be the best exhaust setup, because I was talking to one of my friends from Borla, and he told me that he trips out on how cheap Tomei makes their exhaust. To weld titanium and do all the work, the piping itself is really expensive, and to ship it over here from Japan, it's crazy. So, and that's coming from a guy who works for a big American exhaust company. So that just goes to show you that when it comes to titanium, it's pretty much a bang for your buck. Even when you see ISR making a titanium exhaust, that's roughly the same price. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.